Number 3. Arlo Ultra 2. Want top-notch home security? Arlo Ultra 2 delivers stunning 4K video quality. This exceptional security camera not only captures crystal clear footage, but also uses digital tracking and zoom to follow moving subjects. You'll easily identify anyone crossing your property. A built-in spotlight enables vibrant color recording at night. This feature allows you to see what's happening even in low light. Dual microphones enhance audio clarity, so you don't miss any important sounds. If someone suspicious approaches, a built-in alarm can startle them off your property. Completely wireless, Arlo's cameras come with impressive batteries lasting up to 6 months on a charge. For even longer use, you can purchase solar panels, making maintenance a breeze. You won't have to constantly worry about changing batteries. This camera does come with a unique aspect. It requires a subscription for cloud storage. While some might see this as a downside, the price reflects the premium video capturing capabilities. For those who value quality, investing in storage is worthwhile. What I love most is the unparalleled video clarity. It truly sets this camera apart from competitors. However, the subscription fee might feel steep compared to other models. Even with its cost considerations, Arlo Ultra 2 stands out for serious users seeking superior video quality.